Before we get into any specific tutorial, I want to give you the full picture. What Birthday Hello is, who is involved, and how all the moving pieces connect. Hi, my name is Juliet, I'm part of the marketing team, and here we have a quick view of our app. So think of this as the map, the starting point. Once you understand the big picture, everything else will make a lot more sense. Birthday Hello is a web app where you can share videos, photos, and messages to someone on their birthday. Everything lands in one place. One link, one experience. Now, here's something you need to understand. Before you touch anything in the app, Birthday Hello works with 3 different profiles, and depending on who you are in a given event, your experience is going to be completely different. Let's quickly go through each one. The host is the person who creates the event, the organizer. They set it up, invite everyone, and decide when to publish. You can think of them as the one running the show behind the scenes. The guest is anyone who's been invited to contribute. They receive a link, they add a message, a photo, or a video. And that's it. No account needed, no setup. And the birthday person is, well, the star. The one who eventually receives a unique link to open their event, which feels like opening a gift. They see everything that's been collected for them in one place. So, host organizes, guest contributes, birthday person receives. Keep those 3 roles in mind because they will come up a lot. Now, let's walk through what you actually see in the app. When you land on the home page, you can log in if you already have an account, or go straight to create your first event. The app will walk you through the setup of your event step by step. Once you create an event, you land on the host dashboard. This is your control center. From here, you can see who's contributed, copy and share the invite link, and there are quick options to share directly through any app, or just copy the link manually. You'll also see the status of your event. Once guests start contributing, you will see their messages appear here. Now, this is what a guest see when they tap that link. They land on a simple page. They can upload a photo, video, and write a message. No account, no friction. They fill in their name and submit, and their contribution shows up in the host dashboard. And finally, when the host decides the event is ready, they publish it. The birthday person gets their unique link. They tap it, and they see all the contributions together. Messages, photos, and videos all in one experience. There's also a checkout step for the host before publishing. Publishing an event costs $15, one time and no subscription. So that's the full picture, 3 roles, 1 flow. In the next videos, we go deeper into each role, what you can do, what you will see, and what to expect at every step. If you're a host, there's a full tutorial just for you. Same for guests and for the birthday person. Start wherever you fit in, and the rest will click into place. Bye!